What's up? I just ordered this package from Depop. I'm a seller on Depop, but I also buy a lot of stuff on Depop. Sometimes to flip it for more, sometimes to just keep for myself. I actually don't know what's in this package. I've ordered a few things, so I'm going to be showing you guys what I got. I just realized they left their like tag on the envelope. I didn't see that till I started opening it, but I'll like show their page in the video. Oh, this is super cool. So I got these dope Warriors basketball shorts. I had never seen any like this. They're actually from the NBA. They're like vintage. And they have super clean embroidered old Warriors logo on them. I've like never seen shorts like this. They're just super cool. I'll show you like a closer up video, but I think they're gonna fit me. They might be a little bit small, but they just look super cool. So I'm definitely gonna keep them for myself. I'm not gonna be selling these anytime soon. They're dope.